Good morning to one and all. Welcome to your TSN English class. Today we'll be starting with our seventh video of this chapter The Enemy from your book Vistas Class 12. So before starting with this paragraph, I would like to tell you about the previous video that previously due to because Hannah haven't seen any kind of surgery ever, so she vomits and she is was like vomiting, and she was vomiting in the garden because and after that she was like empty stomach, and doctor thought that it was better to for her to be empty stomach. And Dr. Sado felt angry in the end of that video that with the man who was lying like dead man under his knife. Now let's read the paragraph here from the first line. This man, he thought, there is no reason under heaven why he should live. Unconsciously, this thought made him reckless, and he proceeded swiftly. In his dream, the man moaned, but Sado paid no heed except to mutter at him. Groan, he muttered, groan if you like. I am not doing this for my own pleasure. In fact, I do not know why I am doing it. The door opened, and there was Hannah again. Where is the anesthetic? She asked in a clear voice. Sado motioned with his chin. It is as well that you come back, he said. This fellow is beginning to stir. She had the bottle and some cotton in her hand, but how shall I do it? She asked. Simply saturate the cotton and hold it near his nostrils. Sado replied without delaying for one moment the intricate detail of his work. When he breathes badly, move it away a little. So here in these paragraphs, as you can see or as you can hear, that Dr. Sado, he just explaining the procedure how to give anesthetic to his wife Henna. So let's read here that what was going on there, that this man, he thought there is no reason under heaven why he should live. So here Dr. Sado, he thinks about that I don't have any reason to save him, because this thought he became less careful, और ऐसे जैसे उनके माइंड में ये बात आती है वो थोड़े लेस केयरफुल हो जाते हैं, एंड मूव हिज हैंड्स स्विफ्टली कि मैंने इस आदमी को क्यों बचाया, आई डोंट नो. सो ही सॉ इन हिज ड्रीम दैट मैन वॉज स्क्रीमिंग, बट सैडो इग्नोर्ड हिम एंड मटर्ड समथिंग. सो वो देखता है कि वो आदमी थोड़ा सा ड्रीमी उसमें है, बट डॉक्टर सैडो उसे इग्नोर करते हैं और कुछ बोल के आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. स्क्रीम, ही मटर्ड, स्क्रीम एज यू विश, और वो उसे पेशेंट को क्या बोलते हैं, तुम जितना चिल्लाना चाहते हो चिल्लाओ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रीट यू फॉर माई ओन प्लेजर. वो उसे दर्द हो रहा होता है ड्यूरिंग दैट सर्जरी, अभी तक एनेस्थेटिक भी नहीं लगा होता है, तो वो कहते हैं कि तुम्हें जितना चिल्लाना, यू कैन स्क्रीम, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रीट यू फॉर माई ओन प्लेजर. मैं तुम्हें अपने प्लेजर के लिए नहीं ट्रीट कर रहा हूँ. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो वट इज़ मेकिंग मी टू डू दिस. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो वाई आई एम परफॉर्मिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स विद यू. सो डॉक्टर सैडो जो हैं वो उस पर्सन की स्क्रीमिंग पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट आई एम जस्ट परफॉर्मिंग माई ड्यूटी. Till then, his wife Henna came into the room and again opening the door and said Dr. Sado that give me anesthetic. And उसकी वॉइस में कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होता. सो सैडो मोशन विथ हिज चिन, you do right to come back, and said that this man had stared making movement, but how should I do this, she asked. But वो डॉक्टर सैरो से पूछती है दैट वेयर इज़ द एनेस्थेटिक, एंड डॉक्टर सैरो से बताते हैं कि एनेस्थेटिक कहाँ है अपनी चिन से, एंड हाउ शुड आई डू इज, शी आस्क्ड. एंड आफ्टर दैट शी आस्क्ड दैट हाउ शुड आई गिव हिम एनेस्थेटिक. सिंपली सोक द कॉटन इन एनेस्थेटिक एंड होल्ड इज नियर हिज नॉस्ट्रल्स. एंड डॉक्टर सैरो कहते हैं कि अभी तो एनेस्थेटिक इंजेक्शंस भी अवेलेबल हैं, बट जो अभी हम जो बात करें इट्स लाइक वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम की बात है. एट दैट टाइम एनेस्थेटिक इंजेक्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं थे, तो कैसे एनेस्थेटिक दिया जाता था, that soak that cotton in anesthetic and hold near his nostrils. डॉक्टर सैडो से एडवाइस सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा आपको करना है। और उसकी नॉस्ट्रल्स के यहाँ जब तुम उसे होल्ड करोगी, सैडो टोल्ड हर वाइल कंटिन्यूइंग हिज वर्क। और ये सब बातें सैडो जो है, डॉक्टर सैडो, वो अपना वर्क कंटिन्यू करते हुए बता रहे हैं। इफ़ यू सी हिम ब्रीदिंग बैडली, मूव इट अवे अ बिट। और तुम जब उसे बहुत ज़ोर से ब्रीथ करने में देखो, लाइक ब्रीदिंग बैडली, और टर्न अवे दैट कॉटन अ बिट। So she leaned close to the face of that young American, his wife Hannah, and Hannah noticed that the face was miserable and the lips was like twisted, and the man was experiencing lots of pain. And seeing him, that she was thinking about the stories of prisoners and all these things. So let's read a bit. She crouched close to sleeping of face. Students, I'm reading here. She crouched close to the sleeping face of the young American. It was piteously thin face, she thought, and the lips were twisted. The man was suffering, whether he knew it or not. Watching him, she wondered if the stories they heard sometimes of suffering of prisoners were true. They came like flickers of rumor, told by word of mouth and always contradicted in the newspapers. The reports were always that wherever the Japanese armies went, the people received them gladly with cries of joy at the liberation. But sometimes she remembered such men as General Takema, who at the home beat his wife cruelly, though no one mentioned it now that he had fought so victorious as a battle in Manchuria. If a man like that could be so cruel to a woman in his power, wouldn't he not be cruel to anyone like this? For instance, she hoped anxiously that this young man had not been tortured. It was at this moment that she observed deep red scars on his neck just under the ear. So this is the situation where Mrs. जो है ना है डॉक्टर सैडो की वाइफ, उन्होंने क्या फील किया. When she leaned close to the face of that young American, Hannah noticed that the face was looked miserable and his lips were like twisted, and the man experiencing lot of pain. And seeing him, she was just thinking about the stories of prisoners or like tortured men, and well, were actually true. कि वो सोच रही थी ऐसी स्टोरीज सच में होती हैं. दे केम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रूमर्स विच वर स्प्रेड बाय माउथ ऑलवेज. So she is thinking about those rumors, and she had read that there was always report in the newspaper that Japanese armies were greeted gladly with the joy of with their freedom. So here liberation is freedom. So how Japanese army, so newspaper की information उसके mind में while doing all these things, उसके mind में बहुत सारी बातें चल रही थी. But there was also a man like General Takema. But at the same time, she's thinking about General Takema, who had been reported to have beaten wife cruelly at home, but no one talks about it anymore. But एक ऐसा जनरल टाकेमा जिन्होंने अपनी वाइफ को घर पे वो मारते हैं, या ही doing that physical abuse with his wife, or domestic violence, this kind of thing, no one cares about these things. And more because he had led that army victory in Manchuria. और ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि उन्होंने मंचूरिया में वो आर्मी को विक्ट्री दिलाई थी. दिस मैन डिड क्रूएलिटी टू अ वुमेन इन हिज पावर. एंड ऐसे लोग जो हैं अपनी विमेन के साथ या अपनी वाइफ के साथ किस तरह क्रूएलिटी से बिहेव करते हैं, दैट शोज योर. एंड वुड ही लीव अ प्रिजनर लाइक हिम? क्या वो एक ऐसे प्रिजनर को छोड़ दे? शी होप दैट द मैन हैड नॉट बीन सब्जेक्टेड टू द क्रूएलिटी. और वो कह रही हैं कि आई विश इस आदमी के साथ ऐसा कुछ ना हुआ. एट दिस मोमेंट अ डीप रेड स्कार्स ऑन हिज neck or near the under the ear, she caught those her eyes caught those marks, those scars. She murmured looking at Sadhu. And Dr. Sadhu को बताया कि look at the scars. Those scars, she murmured, lifting her ears to Sadhu, but he did not answer. At this moment he felt the tip of his instrument strike against something hard dangerously. Now students, move on to next page, that is your page number 35. Near the kidney all thought left him. He felt only the purest pleasure. He probed with his fingers, delicately familiar with every atom of this human body. His old American professor of anatomy had seen to that knowledge. Ignorance of human body is the surgeon cardinal skin sirs. He had thundered at this classes years after year to operate without as complete knowledge of the body as if you had made it anything less than that is murder. It is not quite at the kidney, my friend, Sado murmured. It was his habit to murmur to the patients when he forgot himself in an operation. My friend, he always called his parents, and so now he did, forgetting that this was his enemy. So here, but Dr. Sado was Sado was quite busy in his work. So suddenly he realized that the tip of the instrument was ticking अगेंस्ट समथिंग. सो उनके इंस्ट्रूमेंट की कोई जो टिप थी वो टिकिंग हो रही थी, विच वॉज लाइक हार्ड एंड डेंजरसली नियर द किडनी. हार्ड थी और किडनी के पास में थी, एंड ही हैड नो थॉट दैट ही वॉज लॉस्ट इन हिज प्लेजर. और उन्हें ये नहीं पता कि वो अपने प्लेजर में से भूल चुके हैं. ही चेक्ड विद हिज फिंगर्स केयरफुली विच हैड नोन एवरी एटम ऑफ हिज ह्यूमन बॉडी. उसके बाद बिकॉज ही नो एवरी पार्ट, एवरी सिंगल यू कैन से दैट पार्ट ऑफ अ बॉडी, दैट इज वाई इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर दैट एवरी एटम ही न्यूज. एंड once his American professor of anatomy had told about the knowledge, ignorance of human body is the cardinal, you can say, is the cardinal sin of the surgeon. So अगर कोई भी सर्जन ह्यूमन बॉडी के साथ इग्नोरेंस परफॉर्म करता है तो दैट इज़ लाइक अ सिन, दैट यू आर डूइंग बैड विद समबडी. So he had performed excellently in his classes every year. That is why Dr. Sado जो है, he is like the professional perfectionist and the best surgeons over there to operate without as a complete knowledge of the body as if it were your creation. और किसी व्यक्ति को इस तरह ऑपरेट करना जैसे वो आपकी खुद की क्रिएशन हो. एनीथिंग लेस दैन दैट इज किलिंग, और anything that less than that is killing. So what happens up next, that after doing all these things or after performing all that डॉक्टर सैदो जो है वो एनाटॉमी और जो भी अपने परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने अपने सर की बात याद करी दैट हाउ ही टोल्ड हिम दैट कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ द बॉडी इज़ लाइक for surgeon is very necessary, and it is not a quite as kidney, my friend, Sado murmured. It was his bit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in an operation, my friend. He always called his patients. So now he did forgetting that this was his enemy. So उसने कभी सुना था कि लोग जो है while performing those surgeries and operation, जो लोग हैं या जो सर्जन्स हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, किस तरह वो अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भूल जाते हैं. बट डॉक्टर सैदो जो है, ही ऑलवेज कॉल्ड हिज पेशेंट्स, एंड सो नाउ ही डिड फॉरगेटिंग दैट दिस वॉज हिज एनिमी. बट ये सब कुछ परफॉर्म करते वक्त वो ये भूल गए थे अपनी सर्जरी करते वक्त कि ये व्यक्ति जो है या जो अमेरिकन है वो उनका एनिमी है. देन क्विकली विद द क्लीनेस्ट एंड मोस्ट प्रिसाइज इंसिशंस द बुलेट वॉज आउट. द मैन क्विवर्ड बट ही वॉज स्टिल अनकॉन्शियस. Nevertheless, he muttered a few English words. And after performing all these things, like after performing the whole surgery, then quickly he took out the bullet by doing the cleanest and most precise of the incision. So Dr. Sado जो है bullet निकाल लेते हैं. Man shook but remained unconscious, though a few English words came out of his mind, that like guts, he murmured, choking. They got my guts, Sado. And Hannah gave scream sharply. Hush, Sado said. और इस तरह वो दोनों express करते अपनी feelings कि yes, they performed that well. The man sank again into silence so profound that Sado took up his wrist, hating the touch of it. Yes, there was still a pulse, so faint, so feeble, but enough. He wanted the man to live, to give hope. And what happens up next there, the students? The man again became silent so profound that Sado held his wrist, and hating that, because he hates that man because he belongs to America, and he is like their enemy. He was like his enemy. But instead of that, he performed his surgery so well, and yes, he could feel the pulse which was like extremely faint and feeble, but could survive him. उसकी pulse जो थी वो थोड़ी धीरे थी, but उससे वो आराम से जिंदा रह सकता. And if he intended the man to live, to give hope, और उन्होंने उस मैन को बचाया है और उसको एक होप दिए. बट सर्टेनली आई डू नॉट वांट दिस मैन टू लिव, ही थॉट. बट अचानक से उनके माइंड में एक थॉट आता है कि मैं इस मैन को, आई वांट दिस मैन टू लाइक डाई. सो स्टॉप द एनेस्थेटिक, ही टोल्ड हेना. और वो हेना को क्या बोलते हैं, एनेस्थेटिक बंद कर दो. ही टर्न्ड स्विफ्टली एज दो ही हैड नेवर paused from his medicines. He chose a small vial and from it filled a hypodermic and thrust into the patient left arm. Then putting down the needle, he took the man's wrist again. The pulse under his fingers fluttered once or twice and then grew stronger. The man will live in spite of all, he said to Henna inside. The young man woke, so weak, his blue eyes so terrified when he perceived. So here what's happened over there, that suddenly Dr. Sadhu के मन में ख्याल आता है that I want this man to die. So stop anesthetic, वो अपनी wife को instruct करते हैं, stop those anesthetic. And he went to his medicine box quickly and select a small vial, and with it fill a syringe and inject it into his left arm. Then keeping the needle, he checked his pulse again, और ऐसा इंजेक्ट करने के बाद वो उसकी पल्स दोबारा चेक करते हैं, विच फ्लटर्ड वंस ट्वाइस अंडर हिज फिंगर्स. और पल्स जो है वंस ट्वाइस फ्लटर करती है, एंड देन स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग एंड गेटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर. और उसके बाद पल्स इंक्रीज होती है और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती है. दिस मैन नाउ कैन नॉट डाई फ्रॉम एनी थिंग. एंड वो अपनी वाइफ को कहते हैं ये मैन किसी चीज़ से नहीं मरेगा. द यंग मैन वो, उसके बाद जो यंग मैन है वो उठ जाता है. ओपन हिज आइज, ही वॉज सो वीक एंड हिज ब्लू आइज फिल्ड विद फियर व्हेन ही परसीव्ड वेयर ही वॉज. और उसकी ब्लू आइज जो है वो फियर से भर जाती. परसीव्ड योर मीन्स फुल ऑफ fear that I'm here at my enemy's house. So both of them are like frightened with each other. Students, this is your seventh video, and I'm continuing the next part or next pages of this chapter in our next video. Till then, all of you stay safe and sanitize yourself properly. Thank you all.